If you have any of these breadboards, trash it. Believe me, it doesn't worth to spend a lot of time troubleshooting. The problem is that yeah, I'm telling you this because I have bought like 5 of this kind, well 6 in total, and it's funny because I bought one from Sparkful, I believe it's this guy, and it's the same kind. You see, you're gonna see like it's kind of weird, the marking. You will see start from 0, and it's not like actually 0, it's like the second one. And yeah, some faded labeling. What else? Yeah, and all basically are the same. You see 0 on the second one, 0 on the second one. That's 0, 0. So it's funny because I bought like 5 from AliExpress, and you know, thinking that probably I was going to get a nicer quality from a smartphone. I got this kind, and it was the same, basically same shit. So just if you have one of these, just trash it. So I went to Micro Center and I bought these guys. I bought actually this for let me see what's the price. Yeah, $9.99. 3 breadboards, and yeah, $8 for 3 breadboards also. So yeah, let's check it out. So this is actually better. Well, I just trying to, you know, take a look quickly, but yeah. And also I forgot to mention that there are some holes that, I don't know, some contact that feel like kind of loose, you know. It doesn't make contact, so it doesn't give you that confidence. Instead of this guy, this is the new one. This I don't know what brand is this, Inland, I don't know. But yeah, check this out. Oh, sorry. Yeah, 1, yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. And yeah, you can see the labels, the marking is it's kind of better quality. It feels the same, you know, plastic, you know, as any other brands. But this guy, I know his new one might cost a little bit, it might be hard, but yeah, it feels much better. Yeah, this is better. Yeah, so again, done. Yes.